What is the best Android TV box? Here are my full reviews of the best Android TV box. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. NVIDIA Shield TV Gaming Edition 4K HDR Streaming Media Player with GeForce Now. The great streaming media device by NVIDIA enables you to stream smoothly through the internet connection to watch your favorite Islamic speech or listen to your favorite nod. The smooth buffering option compels people to purchase the device view the unlimited Islamic speeches on the bigger screen. You can connect it to the internet and have smooth streaming on the television. Now you do not have to miss out on the latest not but listen to them instantly with the help of this amazing NVIDIA media player. If you wish to get a great device at an affordable price, then consider getting this device which you can install on the TV easily. You can also use the voice search, and by saying the keyword for the not, you will be able to listen to it directly on the television. You can also download applications related to not or Islamic speeches, so do not worry about the connection anymore. The connection of internet is quick and instantly lets you watch the favorite Islamic show online. Getting the right TV box is important. To make sure to choose this one if you're using it for the first time, then you will love it and will want to keep it forever. Once you start using it, you will love each aspect of it and will keep on discovering new features as time passes. It is an amazing gadget to use and enables you to watch your favorite programs instantly. So why do you want to get into complications when you can use this device easily with voice control and have instant results without any worry? Number 2. Roku Premiere HD and 4K UHD Streaming Media Player. The Roku Android box is one of the great devices which gets connected to the internet to play your favorite not or Islamic device. You can stream the videos easily with the help of this Android box connection with your phone. The HD videos stream perfectly, and once you get it connected to the TV, you will not have to wait for anything. Simply find the best not and play it instantly. You can listen to unlimited not and play Islamic speeches without any worry that it will cost you anything. The free content will be a huge advantage of getting this device and installing it on your television. Once you have it set up, you will be peaceful about not paying the bills. The device works great with a 1080p resolution, and the audio quality is enormous as well. You can connect the mobile phone with the Android box through Bluetooth or the internet easily. You just need to have a strong Wi-Fi connection, and you will be good to go with this amazing device. If you wish to get a good device, then that too at such a good price, then it is better not to miss this opportunity. You can search for your favorite not and watch it online through the TV on the big screen. So do not miss the chance and make sure to search the name of your favorite Islamic speech and play it. Number 3. TiVo Stream 4K. Every streaming app and live TV on one screen. 4K UHD. Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos sound. Powered by Android TV. Plug-in Smart TV. The TiVo Stream 4K is a great, affordable option for those who aren't looking to spend a lot, and despite the lower price, the TiVo Stream still supports 4K HDR content, works with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, and comes with a voice remote. With this Android TV box comes access to the exclusive TiVo Stream app, which makes personal recommendations of shows and movies based on what you usually watch. A collection of free channels is also available, things like Tubi, Cheddar, and Taste made alongside the traditional apps that you'll probably use more often. Number 4. Xiaomi Mi Box S 4K Ultra HD Android TV Streaming Media Player with Google Assistant and Chromecast built in black. Xiaomi's updated Android TV box isn't perfect. It's had some on/off issues with lag and stability, but it does a few things better than the average no-brand Android TV box. For a start, it runs the Google version of Android TV, meaning you get an interface designed from the ground up for use with a remote control, plus a good range of apps from the Google Play Store. For another, it has the Google Assistant and a remote with voice controls, meaning you can search for content or launch an app using voice alone. And it actually works. Until you played with a few Android TV boxes, you won't know how unusual this is. The Mi Box S also has built-in Chromecast functions, so you can cast web pages and apps direct from your tablet or smartphone. Although you will have to check that the box and your screen are on before you start, as it won't turn on your TV. What's more, it'll play 4K material from supporting apps. It's not widely available in the UK and, at times, it can feel slightly underpowered. But if you want a cheap, no-nonsense alternative to the Shield TV, the Mi Box S is the only Android TV box that fits the bill. Number 5. Roku Ultra Streaming Device HD/4K/HDR/Dolby Vision with Dolby Atmos, Bluetooth streaming, and Roku Voice Remote with headphone jack and personal shortcuts. A review pick for best overall among streaming devices. The Roku Ultra 4800R isn't really an Android TV device. It runs on the Roku OS, but we love it enough that it's worth mentioning here. It's easy to use, supports 4K, HDR, and Dolby Atmos sound, and includes a number of apps, including Apple TV. Being the first non-Apple device to fully support the app, the Roku Ultra makes it easy to access your Apple downloads or purchase new ones. While the Roku interface may be a little more cluttered with ads than it used to be, this is primarily only of concern for the Roku channel. which is a free, ad-supported service, so it's understandable and other apps aren't affected. Part of Roku's philosophy is breaking down barriers across platforms, so it's a great way to manage most of your digital entertainment in one simple, intuitive hub. You can use the screen mirroring feature to fill in any gaps, and the Roku mobile app is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The Roku Ultra's remote continues to be the best around, with its ease of use and dedicated buttons to bring you straight to the service you use the most. You can even program other buttons to take you to apps that Roku hasn't thought of, and with power and volume buttons that work with your TV, you don't have to worry about multiple remotes floating around your couch cushions. If we've managed to pique your interest,